We're going to be talking about three variable systems again, but we're going to be really focusing on the words and how to put the words into equations and setting it up. Okay, so we are going to be able to create a system of equations from a word problem. We could solve that system of equations with three variables, and then we also want to be able to state the solution using complete sentences. Okay, so at the first one, we're going to solve the following problems using our knowledge of systems of linear equations. Okay, so first, we're going to define the variable. That's going to be right here. Oops, I don't know where my thing is. That's going to be right here. And then we are going to write the system of equations. That's going to be right here, and then we're going to solve. Okay, here we go. Jesse, Maria, and Charles went to a local craft store to purchase supplies for making decorations for an upcoming dance at high school. Jesse purchased 3 sheets of craft paper, 4 boxes of markers, and 5 glue sticks. His bill before taxes was $24.40. Maria spent $30.40 when she bought 6 sheets of craft paper, 5 boxes of markers, and 2 glue sticks. Charles purchased a total of $13.40 when he bought 3 sheets of craft paper, 2 boxes of markers, and 1 glue stick. So we want to determine the unit cost of each item. So P could be the unit cost of paper. And M could be the unit cost of markers. And G could be the unit cost of glue. Now, obviously, we have 3 people going to the store, right? So first, Jesse. And Jesse bought 3 of the paper, 4 of the markers, and 5 of the glue. So Jesse bought 3 of the paper, 4 of the markers, and 5 of the glue. And altogether, he spent $24.40, and that's before taxes, so we don't have to worry about the taxes. Now, Maria, she spent $30.40, but she bought 6 sheets of paper. She bought 5 markers, and she bought 2 glue sticks. Okay, and lastly, we're going to be talking about Charles. Now, Charles only spent $13.40. He was the lowest of them all. And he bought 3 sheets of paper and 2 boxes of markers and 1 glue stick. And so you can see how we've set up the system of equations. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set both of these up, and then later on I'm going to solve them, because I think most of you are just gonna need the setup at this point. So this one is solve the following problem using your knowledge of the system of linear equations. So Rafael, an exchange student from Brazil, made phone calls within Canada to United States and to Brazil. Okay. So the rates per minute for these calls vary for the different countries. Use the information in the following table to determine the rates. Okay, so he is talking, he's making calls to Brazil, and he's making time to Brazil, and time to the United States, and time to Canada. So we don't know how much each minute costs, right? So we can say C is the price per minute to Canada. And we could say U is the price per minute to the United States. And lastly, B could be the price per minute to Brazil. Okay, so obviously we have 3 bills. We have September 1st, where we did 90 of these and 120 of these and 180 of these to make $252. And then we did October, which had 70 of these, 100 of the United States minutes, and 120 of the Brazil minutes, and altogether cost $184. And lastly, we had November, and they did 50 minutes to Canada, 110 minutes to the United States, and 150 minutes to Brazil, and that cost $206. And so what I'm doing on this video is I'm just going to do the basic setup. If you guys need some extra help solving these, I suggest you guys come in and see me. Thanks.